Ahmadiyya Zindabad. We are the soldiers of Islam. We live to protect Islam. Qudam Zindabad. Qudam Zindabad.
By the grace of the Almighty Allah, Majlis Khudamul Ahmadiyya Liberia successfully held its 16th annual National Ijtima on the 25th to 26th November 2025 at Ahmedabad, Po River. This year's theme was Our Pledge, a lifelong commitment to sacrifice and obedience. A total of 256 participants attended the Ijtima, including 205 Khuddam and 51 Atfal. The proceedings commenced with a flag hosting ceremony led by Hafiz Sayyid Ibrahim Kazaru Sahib, Sadr Majlis Khudamul Ahmadiyya Liberia. Following the recitation of the Holy Quran, Nazm, and the repetition of the Khuddam pledge, Maulana Nasir Ahmad Kahlo Sahib addressed the gathering. He highlighted the purpose of the Ijtima, promoting unity, discipline, and brotherhood, and reminded Khuddam and Atfal to maintain high moral conduct throughout the event. Throughout the first day, a range of academic and sports competitions were held. Academic events included Quran recitation, hifz, nazm, azan, salat, speech, and an Islamic quiz. Sports competitions featured the 100-meter race, relay race, high jump, arm wrestling, tug of war, volleyball, and football. All participants took part with enthusiasm, demonstrating both discipline and fair play.
I'm Usman Toure from Ba, Grand Cape County. This is my first time attending the Ijtima Majlis Khudam Ahmadiyya in Po River, Masarayo. My encounter here is inspirational and motivational. The Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, I've been hearing about them, but with different messages. But my coming here has taught me some lessons I will never forget. My coming here has showed me the togetherness, the oneness in unity, in obedience, and spiritual guidance. I've learned a lot from the Ahmadiyya Muslims.
On the second day, Khuddam and Atfal took part in a 4-kilometer route march. Their orderly formation and spirited slogans attracted the attentions of passers-by and the members of the local community, leaving a positive impression of the Majlis. The closing session was chaired by respected Maulana Naveed Ahmad Adil Sahib, Amir and Missionary in Charge, Liberia. A special written message from Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, may Allah be his helper, was read out to the audience. This was followed by a practical presentation by Muhammad Jones Anand Sahib, National Secretary Sanato Tijarat, offering valuable guidance to Khuddam on initiating small business ventures. Certificates and prizes were awarded to participants who excelled in various competitions or rendered distinguished services. Montserrado County was declared the best county of the Ijtima. In his concluding remarks, Amir Sahib encouraged Khuddam and Atfal to pursue education, develop skills, and remain steadfast in personal growth, assuring them that the Jamaat will always continue to support and guide them. The Ijtima concluded with a silent prayer, leaving all participants spiritually uplifted and motivated. Majlis Khudamul Ahmadiyya Liberia humbly requests prayers from all MTA viewers. May Allah bless the Majlis. Ameen. This is Farooq Shabir Lodi reporting for MTA News, Liberia.
Nare